To all of you, I'm Mr. Malakad. I'm here to discuss the relationship between sine, cosine, tangent function. Before getting to the function, let's start defining a right triangle. A right triangle has a three sides and a theta. We have the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the long one. Opposite. Opposite is opposite to the angle theta. Adjacent. Adjacent is next to the angle theta. And we have the term SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. It means sine is equals to opposite over the hypotenuse, and the cosine is equals to adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the tangent is equals to opposite over the adjacent. And we have a example number 1. We'll get the sine. We have the adjacent of 4.4, 2.8, and 4.9. We'll get the sine. Theta. Sine theta is opposite over the hypotenuse. We have the opposite 2.8 and the hypotenuse of 4.9. Answer is 0.57. Example number 2.
Game.
Sample number 2. We have a theta here of 45 degrees. Hypotenuse of square root of 2. Adjacent of 1 and opposite of 1. We'll get the sine of 45 degrees. Sine is opposite over the hypotenuse. We have the opposite of 1. And our hypotenuse is square root of 2. Rationalized by times of square root of 2. The answer is square root of 2 over 2. And we will get also the cosine of 45 degrees. Cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse, where our adjacent is 1, our hypotenuse is square root of 2. Rationalized by times of square root of 2 over square root of 2. Answer is square root of 2 over 2. Tan of 45 degrees. Our tan is opposite over the adjacent. Our opposite is 1. Adjacent is 1. Our tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. We have the example number 3. We have the angle of 30 degrees. Adjacent of square root of 3. Opposite of 1. And hypotenuse of 2. We'll get the sine of 30 degrees. Sine is opposite over the hypotenuse, 1 over 2. 1 over 2 or 0.5. Cosine of 30 degrees. Cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse, square root of 3 over 2. And we have the tan of 30 degrees, where tan is opposite over the adjacent, 1 over square root of 3 times by square root of 3 over square root of 3. The answer is square root of 3 over 3. In our example number 4, we'll use the sine function to find the d, where our hypotenuse is 30 meter and our angle is 39 degrees. Sine 39 degrees is equals to opposite over the hypotenuse, where our opposite is the d, our hypotenuse is 30. Swap the side. D over 30 is equals to sine 39 degrees. D over 30 is equals to 0.6293 and so on. The answer of cross multiply, where D is equals to 30 times 0.6293 and so on, where our D is equals to 18.88, 2 decimal places. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy.